Alright, coming back at you from near Midas. I'm going to ride up to the old Elko Prince mine that is one of the bigger ones, the biggest one in the area back when this town was big and producing gold. I'm right next to where the old schoolhouse used to be for a point of reference. There's part of it, part of a cave-in, I think, or something. The main portal is up here a bit. Main portal should be right around this corner. Almost caved in. So it's kind of hard to see. Yeah. All staked off. They didn't used to have that on there. That's new. You can see that this one's pretty big. Yeah, they had ore running out here. See some of the old concrete footings there. The tumbler mill stuff is still there. Some big beams here. All the footings for the mill still there. Pretty interesting stuff. It's too bad that's caved in like that. All right, get out of here. Lower access road, I'm guessing. On top of that hill on the other side, opposite from that portal, I know where there's a vertical shaft too. I'm almost certain they meet up. You can feel air coming out of that one we were just at. It means there's some kind of ventilation in there. You can see some more tailing piles up there and a white stake. Looks like there's some stuff way up on top of the hill too. A vertical shaft, I know it was on the downhill side over there. Should go up there again sometime. There's my burnout marks. I love it. If you like to roost, two-stroke's the only way to go. There's also this mine shaft thing just up the hill from Midas. I rode right by it earlier. It's all caved in now. I don't know what it is or where it came from or any of that. But there's that part of the tour, I guess.